Okay, what you want to do if you are on the free plan and want to build a funnel, a simple funnel for yourself. I just had a look at the tags free, and basically I would highly recommend to use this template. This is one that I really like. We can just preview it, and then for the thank you page, I would probably use the simple thank you page that I've shown you, or just turn this basically into a thank you page. Just change the headline here. This is probably something that you I do not even know how to integrate, but here you would have then your let's go back to the actual page builder. So you see, basically replace this with the opt-in code that you grab from your Groove Mail, that you copied from your Groove Mail, and then just I even deleted the social proof below this. So this is the most basic, simple lead magnet page that you can have, and then you have a really simple thank you page which looks like this. And in this video you would basically explain people how to help them. And the next thing that I would recommend to you is just work on your onboarding sequence. Write the emails in Word or Google Docs or whatever software you noticed, and then test the whole process. I just checked here, like my test broadcast was delivered, and I still have blocked my email. So this is I will just show you again. So the test broadcast was added, and before that we got the automatic email from the form. So everything is working as it should, which is great. And now it's time to really think about the content and everything that you want to build. And then this what I would recommend. And in terms of products, if you're starting out with GrooveFunnels, and do not overcomplicate it. Like I sold a couple of products with GrooveFunnels and GrooveSell and something like this. Basically, if you're starting out, you just want to have delivered enough value that people just want to know where is the buy button. Let me see if I can find this here. There's one image. I made a couple like this is a high ticket sales page, for example, and I just wanted to show you. This is basically from a program that I really paid $5,000 for, and this was the sales page from Jonathan in this example. He will help me to create a book that I will offer later. But this is basically his sales page, and everything else happened before. And this is just basically his PayPal email address with a name, with a number typed in. And I also had the same another option to pay with credit card, and this is what the page looked like. So this is really what I would recommend, because like you can build this with GrooveSell as well, like just a simple opt-out page for this. Just let me see. Go to pages, have a look at the templates that you have access to. It's really easy to do with GrooveSell, and I recommend that you check out the GrooveFunnels Academy again. This is what I always do. Like, do not watch the YouTube videos and live products builds and stuff like this if you really want to get things done. I would just recommend to watch the videos here in the GrooveSell in the GrooveFunnels Academy, because this is basically everything that you need. And besides that, let me see. I prepared this. Like I highly recommend to read like these books from Russell Brunson if you really want to know how to how to build a business, because you will learn much more from books than you will from from watching a lot of YouTube videos. I think this Fast Start course gave you everything that you need to build a successful campaign, like getting this done. I will now go back and create all the pages, all putting the final touches on this, creating a follow-up email sequence in GrooveMail, which is pretty easy and self-explanatory as well, and set up my program. And if you have a look at my what I've created in the past, this is basically what I've did with my GrooveFunnels value stack. There's still a video online from a couple of months, or depending on when you're watching this, ago, where I just saw slides to promote GrooveFunnels, basically to test GrooveSell. And the GrooveFunnels treasure chest was a high ticket product that I sold, I think, three times to three different people. Right now I will move this GrooveFunnels treasure chest into my paid program, where I have all the assets to promote GrooveFunnels. You will also learn exactly what to send in your email follow-up campaign, in your sequence. You will know exactly how to connect with your audience on much more with basically free ads. I coined this with free Facebook ads, because the program is a lot about connecting with people, being authentic, and really helping them. And this is what I try to do with this Fast Start course for you as well. So if you want to join and learn more about this Fast Start course, about the free Facebook ads training, you can have a look at the final funnel that I've built. That I've built afterwards, after I finished this recording. And besides that, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I think that's one of the reasons why I am so successful with GrooveFunnels affiliate marketing, and just being there for people and helping people, genuinely helping them. So you can see I even made some sales for the Groove magazine, and you can see I made more than $100,000, but just by being genuine and helping people. And this is how I've built this. There's no shortcut. I'm part of another affiliate group where somebody wanted to write a book. Nobody told me that being an entrepreneur is so goddamn hard, and it's a lot of work. And that's why I create my paid course, because in the end it's really about relating to someone, having a proven process in place, and also focusing on the things that will make you money. One thing that you will notice if you follow this course is, if you want to sell your own products, it's a lot of work to build the know, like, and trust, to not even to set this up in the in GrooveFunnels, the technical stuff, but what to say on your pages. And it's much easier if you join a program like mine, and then let me do all the work, and you just tell other people how amazing this program is. And this is what I did with GrooveFunnels. They created this amazing program, and I was just telling people, and doing in-depth reviews on my blog, and creating YouTube videos, and really trying this, doing this doing this with my own products. So that's how I sold almost 2K with my own products. And I'm really sorry for the people who bought this in the past, because it was just too much for me, and I did not they got the assets that I've created, but they never got the follow-up that they paid for. And this is something that I'm now putting all my effort into, to creating an amazing course. I already have this built out in Kartra to a large degree, writing all the emails and stuff, and another software to make this whole process easier. So if you want to know more about this, just go to adsmadefree.com. Here's where I will tell you in the email follow-up sent by Groove or by Kartra, I do not know yet, how to make this process work. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. And yeah, let me know all the feedback in wherever you can reach me, via email or via Facebook. I'm happy to hear you, to hear what you have to tell me. And have a great day. And now just go back, put this whole course into action, create your first landing page. With the simpler templates that I showed you, and then write the welcome email to, and then it's just a matter of testing. Talk to real people and get feedback from real people, and it's a process that you need to follow. And if you want to go to the fast track, just go to adsmadefree.com, and I'm really looking forward to helping you even more. Have a great day and stay safe.